Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the third video in our series. This time I will be presenting a program that adds two numbers and prints their sum on the standard output. The learning objectives of this lesson are following. We will practice input and output operations that we have learned in two previous lessons. We will also learn about data types and type conversions, especially about numeric types. And finally, we will start using arithmetic operators to manipulate numbers. Okay, so now I'm back in my editor. Let's do some coding. First of all, I declare variable a and I assign it a value of 5. Then the variable b will be 17. Let's count the sum of a and b and store it in the variable s. Now we will print out the sum of a and b. So first I print sort of a prompt, a text that will make it more visible or understandable for the user. So the program prints a plus b equals 22. That's a correct result. Now I will use a different method to output text by formatting the existing string object using the format method. And what this method does when we invoke in the way presented on the video. So what it does, it's that it replaces those curly braces in the text with the values of respective input variables, of the variables that we add as arguments. So as you could see, the result was correct. Now I let the user enter the values. So let the user see a equals 1, then he will a equals, and then he will input the value that he chooses. And I can do the computation as a formula inside the invoked format method. This way I got rid of the additional variable s. Let's test the program. Okay, let's test it with some values that I chose. And as you can see, this program doesn't work very well. It gave a result that is impossible. So please think for a moment, maybe pause the video and think what can be the reason, where the problem may be, and what is it actually doing instead of counting a sum. Okay, here's a hint. So as you see, it allows me to type whatever I want. I don't have to type numbers, right? And it printed hello plus world equals hello world. So this is doing a different operation. This program is doing some operation on strings of characters, on text. So it means that value a and b, they can be given in general any type, a value of any type, but we need to use some numeric value, for example integer. So I will have to convert the input, which is normally text, to integer using int function. So now this function takes the input and gives you a number. Let's test the program again. Enter. Okay, I entered the same input numbers, input values, and now it presented 444. This is the correct result. If you find this video a valuable source, don't hesitate to click the like button and subscribe.